SEM recently came out with an offering of filler and glazes. We're going to take a minute to review this offering and the technical aspects of these products, starting with SEM's Strong-Strands fiber reinforced polyester filler. It's engineered for strength and durability, bridging and filling damage across SMC, fiberglass, aluminum, steel, and more. It will eliminate swelling, halos, and bullseyes while offering excellent corrosion control. 5 minutes of working time, 9 minutes of shape time, 15 minutes to sand. From body shops to commercial applications, you can trust this solution to deliver lasting results. Next, we have SEM's Powder Pro. Now, Powder Pro is an ultra lightweight polyester filler designed for speed, precision, and results you can see. It will sand in a shorter time and deliver a pinhole-free finish. Powder Pro is non-staining, and it's going to be ideal for steel, aluminum, SMC, and fiberglass. 5 minutes of working time, 9 minutes of shape time, and 15 minutes to sand. The result? A smooth, flawless surface. Next up, we have SEM's Smooth Skim. This is a polyester finishing glaze designed for effortless sanding, exceptional feather edging, and a tack-free surface. It seals repairs with precision, creating a great foundation for paint. With 5 minutes of working time and 15 minutes to sanding time, it's a great solution for minor touch-ups to full refinishing. Finally, we have Flexion. Flexion is a flexible polyester glaze that's formulated specifically for plastics, SMC, and fiberglass. With the added strength across multiple substrates, including aluminum and steel, it eliminates swelling, halos, and bullseyes, all while providing excellent corrosion control. Whether you're repairing plastic panels or reinforcing fiberglass, Flexion offers a 5-minute working time and 15 minutes to sand, ensuring a smooth, lasting finish. If you're interested in learning any more about these products from SEM, please reach out to a Color Vision rep today. We would love to share more.